If you're tired of people talking about faceless YouTube but not showing you exactly how it works, this is your video. I'm breaking down step by step how you can start a faceless AI YouTube channel even if you've never made videos before. Let's get right into it. The first thing that should come to your mind before starting a faceless YouTube channel is your niche. And this is exactly where ChatGPT comes in handy. We're heading over to ChatGPT right now, and I'll show you how I use it to choose the right niche in seconds. Now, as I head over to ChatGPT, it's important you know this. The niche you choose will determine everything, from how easy it is to get views to how much advertisers are willing to pay you. So I'm asking ChatGPT to give me 10 high-CPM YouTube niche ideas for a faceless automation channel in 2025. But here's the key. Don't just pick any niche because it pays high CPM. Pick one you're genuinely interested in. One you know you can create content for consistently. Because if you enjoy it, you'll stick with it, and that's how your channel will grow. Alright, I think I've seen the one. I'll be going with number 7. It's a health and fitness AI channel. Now, the next thing I'm going to do is generate a channel name. So I'll just tell ChatGPT, give me 10 catchy YouTube channel name ideas for a health and fitness AI automation channel. And hit enter. ChatGPT will give you a list of names you can pick from. If you don't like any of the names here, you can simply regenerate more. Or even ask for more options like 20 or 30 names, so you have plenty to choose from. But if you see a name you like, you can pick it and move on to the next step. Now, since we've gotten our channel name, the next thing we need is a profile picture. And because this is an AI automation channel, I'm going to ask ChatGPT to help me create the perfect AI image prompt I can use for my channel's profile picture. So I'll type, give me a detailed AI image prompt for a YouTube profile picture for a health and fitness AI channel. And hit enter. Once ChatGPT generates the image prompt for you, the next step is to use an AI image generation tool. You can use any tool of your choice like Leonardo AI, Midjourney, Pigma Lumen, or any AI tool you're comfortable with. But for this tutorial, I'll be using Leonardo AI because it consistently gives me high-quality images that fit my channel style. So head over to your Chrome browser, type in Leonardo AI, and either sign in or create a free account. Once you're inside the dashboard, look for the image generation option and click on it. Now, on the left-hand side, you'll see where you can select the model. This is important because the model you choose will affect how your image turns out. For this, I'll be selecting Phoenix 1.0, but you can try other models to see which works best for you. Next, choose your style. You can pick from 3D, cinematic, photorealistic, animation, and a lot more. After that, select your aspect ratio. I'll be going for 16:9, but you can pick any ratio that fits your channel design. Then, select the number of images you want Leonardo AI to generate for you. Now, come over to the prompt space. Paste the AI image prompt you got from ChatGPT right there. And finally, hit generate. Wait a few seconds, and your images will be ready. Once your images are ready, go through them and select the one you like best. Then download the image to your device. Now, it's time to upload your profile picture to YouTube. At this point, I'm assuming you've already created your YouTube channel. If you haven't, don't worry, creating a channel is simple. Just sign in with your Gmail account, and YouTube will guide you through setting it up. Once your channel is ready, head over to your YouTube Studio dashboard. Click on Customization on the left-hand menu. Then select Branding, and upload your profile picture right here. While you're at it, you can also update your channel name. Remember, that's the catchy name we generated earlier with ChatGPT. You can also update your channel description, and trust me, it's important. Your description tells viewers and YouTube exactly what your channel is about, and it can help with search and recommendations. But if you're not sure what to write, don't worry. Just ask ChatGPT to write it for you. For example, I'll type, Write a professional YouTube channel description for a health and fitness AI automation channel. And ChatGPT will generate a ready-to-use description you can simply copy and paste into your channel settings. Once you're done adding your profile picture, updating your channel name, and setting your description, the next thing you need to do is hit publish. That way, everything you've set up will be saved to your channel. Now, the next important thing is your YouTube banner. This is the big image people see when they visit your channel. A good banner makes your channel look professional and tells visitors what your content is about at a glance. So let's move on. I'll show you how to create a simple, professional YouTube banner using AI and free tools, and what you must include on your banner to make your channel stand out. Head over to canva.com and in the search bar, type YouTube banner. You'll see a variety of ready-made templates. The ones with the small golden crown icon are for Canva Pro users, but if you're using the free version, no worries, just pick any template without a crown and you're good to go. Once you've selected a banner template, go ahead and click on Customize Template. This will open up the editing workspace where you'll design your YouTube banner. Now, the first thing we want to do is create a guide box. This is where all the important information like your name, tagline, or schedule should stay, because this is the area that will always be visible across all devices: TV, mobile, and desktop. To do that, click on the Elements tab from the left menu. Then scroll down and click on the square shape under Shapes. Once the square appears on your canvas, drag it up to the top right corner before resizing. Now, let's adjust the size so it fits the safe zone for YouTube banners. Set the width to 1546. Set the height to 423. You can either type in the numbers or use the arrow keys to adjust manually. After that, click on the three dots at the top right of the shape when it's selected. Choose Position. Then select Middle and Center to place the box perfectly in the center of the banner. This box will help guide where you place your text and visuals so that nothing important gets cut off on smaller screens. Now that we've placed our guide box at the center, the next thing we're going to do is create the actual guidelines. These lines will help make sure that everything important on your banner stays within the visible area when you upload it to YouTube. Here's how to add them in Canva. First, click on File at the top of your Canva editor. Then click on View Settings and select Show Rulers and Guides. You'll notice a ruler with numbers appear at the top and on the left side of your workspace. Now, click and hold on the top ruler and drag a line down to the top edge of your guide box. This creates a horizontal guide. Do the same again, but drag it down to the bottom edge of your guide box. Next, click and hold on the left ruler and drag a line across to the left edge of your guide box. Do the same again, but drag it across to the right edge of your guide box. And that's it. Now you have perfect guidelines marking your banner's safe zone. Everything you design, your name, tagline, icons, should stay inside these lines. This way, no matter if someone is watching on TV, desktop, or mobile, your banner design will look clean and professional. Now, just to make sure you fully understand what we're doing, I'm going to drag that shape we created earlier all the way to the edge of the guides we just added. Watch how I do it carefully. This will help you see exactly how your banner design should stay within those guidelines. Once I place the shape perfectly between the top, bottom, left, and right guides, I'll change the color to red so it's clear and easy to see. This red box shows us the exact center of where all your important banner, text, and elements should be. Once we've seen that, I'll delete the red shape because it was just for illustration. Now, look closely. You'll probably notice that the text we added earlier is not sitting correctly inside the center zone. So the next step is to adjust the size of the text. You can do this by selecting the text and using your arrow keys or dragging the corners to resize it. Just make sure it fits perfectly inside those guidelines we created. Now let's fix the font too. I don't really like this default font, so I'll scroll up and choose a font from the list that matches my style. Of course, if you like the default font, you can leave it as it is. It's totally up to you. Once I select a new font, you'll see that the style of the text changes immediately. If it looks too low or misaligned, simply use your arrow keys to nudge it up slightly until it's centered again. Next, it's time to add the actual channel description. This is a short text that tells people what your channel is about. I'm going to add mine in 2 lines. The first line will explain what my channel is all about. I'll paste the text in, then reduce the size so it fits nicely in that top line. If the text looks too big or awkward, just keep adjusting it until it fits well. Then I'll add the second line of text underneath. You can write anything here: your upload schedule, your name, your tagline, whatever works for your brand. You can also change the font for the second line if you want a little variation. Just play around with the design and have fun. But most importantly, make sure everything stays inside that red guide box, so it appears clearly on all devices. Once you've added everything, your text, your tagline, and you're happy with the layout, you can also play around with the colors. For example, I'm okay with the color of the first line of text. But for the second line, I want to change it so it pops a little more. So I'll just click on the text color option, pick a new color for the second line, and adjust it until I'm satisfied with the look. Now, take a final look at your design. If you're happy with how everything looks, it's time to download your banner. Here's how to do it. Click on Share at the top right corner of Canva. Then select Download. Under File Type, you'll see different options like PNG, MP4, PDF. But the best recommended format for a YouTube banner is PNG. It gives you the best quality. Select PNG, hit Download, and save it to your device. Now, head over to your YouTube studio. Click on Customization, then click on Branding, and upload your banner image right here. And if you followed all the steps correctly, you'll notice that your banner fits perfectly inside YouTube's banner guidelines. No cutting off, no resizing, no unnecessary adjustments. Finally, hit Publish and boom, your channel setup is complete. Your YouTube channel now looks professional and is ready for the world to see. Now that everything is set up, let's move on to creating and uploading your first video, because this is where your YouTube journey really begins. And what makes up a complete video? Your script, visuals, voiceover, and background music. Instead of using separate tools for each, I'm about to show you an all-in-one solution that does everything just from one simple prompt. Yes, one word, and it generates your video script, visuals, voiceover, and even the music. And hey, if you want me to show you exactly how much YouTube paid me just 7 days after monetizing this Faceless AI channel, type 7-day earnings in the comments below. Because if enough of you ask, I'll make that video for you. Alright, let's go. So, here's how to create your first AI-generated video using CapCut's AI Video Maker. Head over to your Chrome browser and type in CapCut AI Video Maker. You can choose to install the software on your Windows PC, mobile phone, or simply use it online, whichever works best for you. Once it's open and you're on the dashboard, click on AI Video Maker, then hit New Project. Now this is where the magic begins. On the left-hand side, click on Script. That's where you'll paste the content for your video. But wait, if you don't have a script or you're unsure of what kind of video to make, just go back to ChatGPT and type, "Give me 15 viral short video ideas for a health, fitness AI automation channel." ChatGPT will instantly generate a list of hot, trending topics. You can create videos around enough ideas to cover you for a full week. Once you find a topic you like, copy the title and head back to CapCut AI Video Maker. Paste it into the Enter Script box. Below that, there's a space for key points. Use this section to add steps, countdowns, or any visuals and elements you want to appear in your video. Next, select the video duration. CapCut allows you to choose between 1 to 10 minutes. For this example, I'll go with 3 minutes. Then, you'll see an option for mimic writing style. You can either write your own or paste something you've already used. Finally, hit Create and let it work. In a few seconds or minutes, CapCut will generate a complete video for you: script, visuals, voiceover, music, all done with just a prompt. Now that our script is ready, the next step is to generate the voiceover, and CapCut makes this super easy. Click on Scene on the left panel. Under the Voiceover section, you'll see a wide selection of realistic, monetizable voices, both male and female. Simply scroll through, listen, and select the voice that fits your style. Once you've chosen your voice, click Apply to all scenes, and CapCut will automatically add the voiceover throughout your video. Just give it a few seconds to apply, and your audio is ready. Now, let's move on to the visuals. Click on Media, and you'll see 3 options. 1. AI Media. This allows you to generate AI-created images or animations based on your script. 2. Match your media. If you have your own images, videos, or animations, you can upload them here, and CapCut will sync them with your video. 3. Match media. This is the option you'll want if you're a complete beginner. CapCut will automatically select stock videos and visuals from its library and match them perfectly with each scene of your script. So for this video, I'm selecting Match Media and clicking Match. Watch how CapCut automatically pairs visuals with each part of my script. It's honestly amazing how simple this is. Even if you've never edited a video before, CapCut handles it all for you. Once CapCut finishes generating your video, you can play the preview right here to see how everything came together. If you're happy with the result, let's move on to the next optional step, customizing your caption text. By default, CapCut's auto-generated captions come in plain white. But if you want to make your captions pop with different colors or styles, click on Element, and here you can choose the text style, size, and color. As you can see, once I change the color and font, it updates all the captions in the video. But hey, if you're fine with the default style, that's totally okay too. Now, let's talk about background music. This part is completely optional, but adding music can really bring your video to life. You can either use CapCut's built-in music, or head over to the YouTube audio library to download free, royalty-free tracks that you can use without any copyright issues. And finally, once you're done customizing and you're happy with everything, it's time to export your video and upload it to YouTube. Click on Export. You'll be prompted to give your project a title. This helps you easily find the file on your device later. Select your video quality, resolution, and format based on your needs. Then hit Export, and the rendering process will begin. Once it's ready, click Save and download the video to your device. That's it, you've just created your first Faceless AI YouTube video. Now go ahead, upload it to your channel, and start your content creation journey. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and comment below. And check out my AI automation playlist. It's packed with beginner-friendly tutorials to help you grow your Faceless channel. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.